Ending days of uncertainty, the Shiv Sena has decided to sit in the opposition in the Maharashtra Assembly and not be part of the BJP-led government in the state. Party spokesperson Neelam Ghore confirmed to reporters that a letter written by Sena Chief Uddhav Thackeray seeking the post of leader of opposition for its legislative party leader Eknath Shinde has been delivered to the State Assembly Secretary. The Shiv Sena is the second largest party in the 288-member assembly with 63 MLAs. Its move comes a day after Uddhav's ultimatum to the BJP to come clean on the issue of accepting the NCP's unconditional outside support within 2 days, failing which it would sit in the opposition.
अभी आगे की भूमिका भाई आपके समझ में आई होगी कि लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन का पोस्ट क्लेम किया है। इसका मतलब हम अपोजिशन का काम करेंगे, जो जनता ने जनादेश दिया है उसको इंसाफ देने की हमारी कोशिश रहेगी।
NCP chief Sharad Pawar has now said that the decision to back the BJP government was prompted by the need to avoid fresh elections. But he also made it clear that his party will play the role of an effective opposition. However, the decision to vote in support of the government during the trust vote on the 12th of November or to abstain is yet to be taken.
It was a conscious decision, collective thinking of the NCP in the largest interest of the state, because we don't want, the situation is such, number game is such, that unless and until certain positive steps are taken by certain sensible people, there will not be stable government. And I don't want the state should go for whole within practically 3 months or 4 months.
The writing was on the wall from the moment the 3-day assembly session began. In a show of strength, Sena members wearing saffron headgear occupied the benches meant for the opposition. This move has effectively killed the Congress's chances of getting the post of leader of opposition, reducing it to being the second largest opposition party. Former State Minister Radhakrishna Vikhe Patil has been elected as the Congress Legislative Party leader in the state.
तमाम कांग्रेस विधायक जो है उन्होंने जो विश्वास जताया उनका भी मैं उनके प्रति में मैं आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। चुनौती तो बड़ी है क्योंकि इतने साल के बाद मैं समझता हूं कि विरोधी पक्ष में अभी काम करना पड़ेगा और हर एक पहलू पर सरकार के खिलाफ आक्रामकता से राज्य की जनता की अपेक्षा पूर्ण करने का निश्चित रूप में हम काम करेंगे।
The Shiv Sena boycotted PM Narendra Modi's first cabinet expansion on Sunday, calling back its nominee Anil Desai from the airport. Now, with this fresh twist, the question is, will the Sena pull out of the NDA government at the centre? With Shishir Shelar in Mumbai, Newsnight Desk, DD News.